Have you ever tried this trigger pull hack before? So you take an empty shell casing and you place it right on top of the gun here, present the gun out, and you pull the trigger without dropping that shell casing. Now, what is this trying to help? This drill is trying to help you remember that when you're pulling the trigger, to keep your trigger finger independent from the rest of your hand so that these fingers aren't manipulating the gun and making you drop shots. So the idea is to pull that trigger as easy as you can so there's no manipulation in the gun whatsoever, so you're not dropping any shot. Your trigger pull is all about prepping that trigger, getting to the wall, and an easy trigger pull from then on.